You have a closing call with an important customer in an hour, but the sales order isn't ready. The quantities are incorrect, one page is sideways, and it still needs your signature. In high-stakes moments, you don't have time to hunt through menus or learn how to use a new tool. Adobe Acrobat's AI assistant lets you execute complex tasks with simple chat commands. First, let's update the quantity. I'll ask AI Assistant to find and replace 5,000 with 5,500. AI Assistant updates the volume across the document instantly. Now let's tackle that sideways page. No need to dig for tools, just type rotate page 6. AI Assistant fixes the orientation immediately. Next, we'll need to add your signature. Type sign this document. The assistant jumps straight into the signature tool so you can sign in seconds. Finally, we'll ask AI Assistant to share this file. The assistant opens the secure portal directly, letting you hit send with time to spare. What used to be a frantic scramble is now a 60-second workflow. You don't need to learn new tools or hunt through menus. You simply tell Acrobat what you need and it gets the job done. Focus on your customers, not on your software. Try AI-powered actions in Adobe Acrobat and streamline your workflow today.